Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna create an Android app with which when the user clicks a button, then he will be redirected to your website. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if you have not watched my previous videos, then make sure to click the I button and watch my previous videos, because if you don't watch them, then you won't understand these videos. So guys, please watch the previous videos and then come to this video. So guys, we are gonna create an Android app and we are gonna have a main activity which will have a button, and when someone clicks on this button, then he will be redirected to your website on your default browser. So I've created an simple Android app and naming it as website. So let's add a button first over here. Let's drag and add a button. Let's double click it and name it as visit site. Let's save it. So now a button is ready, and we need to add some commands so that it will be redirected to your website. So let's go to the main activity.java and let's clear the default code, this one. Let's delete it and let's start writing our code. So first of all, we need to declare the button B and connect it to the main activity XML files button. So let's declare a button B. Button B and equals to find view, and just press Ctrl space, find view by ID, and r.id dot control space, and as you can see button 1 is here. Just press enter and a semicolon at the end. So now button B is declared. So to remove an error, just hover over this error and just import button. Rootkit. Just hover over the error and add cast button. So now the error is removed and our button B is declared. So now let's add a Onclicklistener. So when someone clicks on this button, then it should do some function. So to add a Onclicklistener, we need to write this command: b dot set on click listener. As you can see, it's come. Let's press enter and new on click. Just press Ctrl space, view on click listener. So now our default code has been generated and we need to type the functions that should take place over here when the button B is clicked. So now we are going to create a new intent I. As if you watched my previous video, then you will understand that what intent is. So it is like an action that you've performed in an Android app. So it's like an activity actually. So let's create a new intent. So intent I equals to new intent, and this intent should have the action to view the URL. So for that we will add intent dot, just press Ctrl space and you'll get this action underscore view. Just press enter. So now our new intent is created and we need to set the data for intent. So for that, just add this command I dot set data. Just a second. Set data. Just press Ctrl space and then add this command URI dot parse and open comma and you need to add the URL over here in this semicolon. So we will try to add our channel's URL over here. So let's add the URL of channel. Okay. Okay, my channel. So let's add this URL. So when someone clicks on the button, then he should be redirected to this URL. So let's paste it over here. and then a semicolon at the end. And now the data is set for the intent, so we need to start the activity. So just add this command, start activity, and I, and then a semicolon. So there it is. Now our Android app is ready almost. So let's resolve these errors. So just hover over the error and we should get some fixes. Import and so let's import this. So now almost all the errors are removed, and I think we need to add a semicolon. Okay, so guys, now our main activity.java file is ready. So let's save it, Control S for saving. And when someone clicks on that button B, then this set of code will be run. That is, it will create a new intent I that will have action view, and it has some data that will be executed. So it will view this URL in your default browser. So let's test it out. Okay guys, so now the Android application is ready and we need to run it and test it. So guys, we will export the APK first. So for exporting, just click on right click on the application, go to Android tools and click on export unsigned application package. Then let's save it on desktop, and the name of the application will be website.apk as we have made it earlier, and click on save. So now the Eclipse is exporting the APK on the desktop. So let's check for the APK. %73 done. Okay, so now our unsigned APK is ready, and let's transfer this APK to our mobile, Android mobile. So guys, now I've transferred the APK file onto my Android device, as you can see, but the APK is not signed. So for that we need to sign the APK first. So for that you need to download an app called as Zip Signer. So just open the app and click on choose input and just choose your APK. So ours is website.apk, and just click on sign the file. So now our signed APK is created. So let's go to files, and as you can see, our website signed APK is created. Now let's install it, and let's click on install. So now our application is installed. So let's try to open it. So there you go, our app is now successfully installed, and there is a button named visit site, and when after clicking this button, it should open our YouTube channel, as we have entered the URL of our YouTube channel. If you enter your website's URL, then your website will be opened. So let's visit the site. So it's asking with which application it should open. So let's click on Chrome, and as you can see, our YouTube channel has been opened by this application. So this application is working successfully right now, and you can code it and you can enter your website's URL also, so that your website can also be opened by this app, and the source code of this application will be in the description below. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, because I keep making weekly videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is Asutoshi and you're watching Tech Fusion.